Okay, Duster fans, here at Mecum Kissimmee Auctions, Orlando, Florida, largest muscle car auction in the world. Here's a 71 Plymouth Duster 340 V8 MCACN or MCACN Concourse Gold winner. And American Muscle Car Restorations did this car. We're going to do a review. This is probably one of the most absolute best restored 71 Dusters I've ever seen. I'm going to go real slow so you can actually take it all in and look at the fine detail in here. You're not going to get a better, higher restoration. You know the factory never did them like this either. But it's always nice to see them. Um, of course, with the steel wheel and poverty caps on it, it's really a beautiful look on these cars. High impact lemon twist. Let's take a look at the fender tag. Oh, what's even better? If you look over on the bottom right, you'll see VS29H1E. The E is the Los Angeles, and that is the original Los Angeles tag. You cannot reproduce those. That is a real LA tag. This car is probably among the very, very best in the country by virtue of where it was made in the Los Angeles plant and the way that it's restored. And by the time 71 rolled around, they were really starting to take a look at reducing power and everything. So this is literally one of last of the Mohicans of the high compression 340 Dusters. The correct orange overspray on the exhaust manifolds. Look at that. That is just classic.
We're going to be, I figured it out about 5 o'clock this morning. 11:30 we're out of here. No, we're going to be late in the day. We'll be here about 1 o'clock, 1:30, and we probably won't cross the block till 4, 4:30. Wow. And I'm not excited about that. But
I think you'll be all right with the weather.
And there you have it, Duster fans. If you can look at the reflections in the light, maybe, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but wow, is this paint very, very high end. Door panels line up perfectly. I mean, you talk about overkill, basically. Really. But yes, it's even got those moldings for the V24 hood blackout. So there you have it, Duster fans. Among the best 71 Dusters out of the Los Angeles plant, this is Gauze Garage. Thank you.